Hello everyone. So today we are back with another video. So by chance if you have missed any of your Excel file, you did not saved it by chance, you missed it, the file crashed, or you got deleted the file, you just deleted the file immediately without saving, or your computer just shut down, crashed while you were working on that file and you were left without saving the file. So today I will show that how can you recover that file. So I am using the Microsoft Office 2016. You can also do it on 2013, 10, any version. All you have to do is this, like if you have this blank sheet, go here on File, here on Options. This window should open up in any of the version. Then all you have to do is in this menu on left side, go to this Save. Make sure you always keep this option Save Auto Recovery Information on, not off. So it will save automatically after. It is by default 10 minutes. I have set it to 1 minute. By default, it will save your file after every 1 minute. So all you have to do is copy this address, open Windows Explorer, paste it here and press enter. So on this location, you can see I have my last Excel files, which I worked on 3rd of April. So this memory keeps the Excel files for much longer time. If I double click on this file, it will open up showing me what I did last in this file. So in the same manner, your last file will also be available here. If you did not saved it, you missed it, or you deleted it, or your system crashed, or your Excel crashed, that file will be available here. Just click on that, open it, and save it on your desired location and continue to work. So this was that how can you recover your Excel file, deleted or lost Excel file. So if you like the video, then subscribe the channel. If you want to know anything else, you may mention that in the comment section. We will make that video for you as well. Thank you for watching. Keep supporting.